Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to remove PayPal from Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Today we are going to see how to remove PayPal from Shopify. We remove PayPal from Shopify in two ways. First, by removing it from the payment methods, and second, by removing it from the checkout process. First, let's see how to remove it from the payment methods. Go to the PayPal. Simply click on Deactivate, and then deactivated PayPal from payment method. Secondly, let's see how to remove PayPal from the checkout. Go to Theme. Click on Edit Code. Here, Search Cart. Then go to Main Cart Footer.liquid. Press Ctrl F. Then search Additional Button. When you click Enter, you will find additional button options. Select this portion and delete it. This is how PayPal is successfully removed from Shopify. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.